And then I said, "Orange, you glad I didn't say banana?" Anyways, guys, we're getting sidetracked. Back to the meeting. Our next order of business, we really need some moolah.
And that's where you come in.
We need to rent a studio space.
We need supplies to build sets.
We need art supplies for art.
We need to feed our crew.
Anyways, back to the meeting. And before we finish the meeting, I got one more surprise for you guys.
What? Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Aw, I'm glad you guys liked him. Well, that concludes our meeting. And that's a wrap.
Hey guys.